I'm reporting from the seat of power, which is the Delhi Secretariat area. And as you can see, the aftermath of the flooding across national capital is felt here as well. This entire stretch, which was shut till yesterday, the road to Delhi Secretariat continues to be inundated. You can see this entire stretch is waterlogged. Tractors have been deployed to sort of, drain out the accumulated water. But since yesterday, we can see how right next to the Delhi Secretariat office, the road continues to be waterlogged. And on my left is a powerhouse, across this boundary wall, there lies a powerhouse. And next to that is, of course, the Yamuna. So we understand this is a low-lying region. Geologically, it is a vulnerable area. Every year it gets flooded. But you can see how these embankments have not been able to control the flow of the water. We understand that the Yamuna waters, which has breached the evacuation mark. This is the third consecutive day since the Yamuna river has breached the danger mark and the evacuation mark, and therefore a large number of people, over 15,000 people, have been displaced. They have been shifted to makeshift tents. In some of the areas, these makeshift tents have also been submerged in rainwater. These embankments, you can see, it is not being able to stop the flow of the water. The Yamuna is flowing fiercely in the last couple of days. Remember, it is because of the intermittent rainfall since last couple of days, accompanied with the large amount of water that has been released from Hatni Kunj barrage as well as Wazirabad barrage. But it is quite shocking to see that the Delhi Secretariat office, where the Chief Minister, the other ministers of different departments come here to work, and that very road is completely waterlogged. It continues to be waterlogged right now. Today, it is not raining, the sun is out, but the disruptions continues to play a big role in hampering people's daily lives. There is traffic congestion in some of the low-lying regions, be it civil lines, ITO, and waterlogging continues to be a menace, be it in Mayur Vihar, Okla, Yamuna Bazar. All these flood-prone areas continues to be waterlogged. But here, where we are reporting from the Delhi Secretariat, you can see how the water continues to flow. It's cold water that is coming all the way from the Yamuna, flowing into the Delhi Secretariat Road, and this is the seat of power in the national capital. It's a low-lying region. Every year we see flooding in this very area, but we see no flood mitigation system in place, proper drainage system in place, and no matter how many tractors, we saw 3 tractors deployed here to sort of drain out the accumulated water, but still it is taking quite an amount of time to sort of drain out the water, and it is causing disruption for the commuters. Although this road was shut till yesterday, it has been opened up. The cars are moving smoothly. They are taking this path, the road to the Delhi Secretariat. And today, you can see the sun is out. It continues to be slightly cloudy in some of the Delhi NCR areas. And power supply continues to be a problem. In civil lines, where we were reporting from, there has been a power cut since last night. And we also reported from Majnu Ka Tila, which is a Tibetan refuge in North Delhi, again a low-lying region next to the Yamuna floodplains, where people's livelihood, their businesses have been hugely affected. And there also the question remains, why, despite recurring floods, there is no flood mitigation system in place. I'm reporting from Delhi Secretariat with camera person Rakesh Mahalai. This is Shreya Ghosh for NDTV.